In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working in Instagram. So first thing you can do is leave Instagram, go to phone settings, search for apps. Inside of apps, search for Instagram. And then here you want to go to permissions and make sure microphone is enabled. If it's already enabled, make sure you disable it and re-enable it, so it's like to refresh the enabling. And also I suggest enabling everything else as well along with the microphone. And after you do this, go back to Instagram and check if this fixed your issue. If it didn't, then what you can do is check if your phone cover, if you have a phone cover that is obstructing the microphone. So make sure your phone cover is not covering the microphone holes, and you might need to change your phone cover. But if that's not the case, then you want to check if your microphone holes that is on your phone, like below your phone, or sometimes it could be at the top of your phone, make sure they're not dirty, they're not filled with for example, dirt or any other stuff that is obstructing the sounds. So make sure you clean them, and also make sure there's no water has gone through them. Sometimes if you put water and clean your phone with water, the water will simply go inside of these microphone holes and become like a obstruction for the sound. So make sure you dry out your microphone holes, and after you dry it out completely, hopefully this should fix your issue. Now if you did this and it still hasn't fixed your issue, your last try is to simply try to restart your phone. So if you click and hold on your power button like this, let me just click and hold, it should show like a power like this one. Okay, you can click on restart, and after you restart, hopefully this should fix your issue. And that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.